Okay, today we will discuss digital functions with don't care conditions. Okay, so the definition of don't care condition is the symbol we use is capital letter X, and definition is the value can be either 1 or 0. In terms of digital values, it can be high or it can be low. Okay, so now the don't care conditions are sometimes advantage for simplifying the problems. Okay, so here the meaning of don't care is neglect the effect of that particular row in the truth table. Okay, so the meaning of don't care we will study with the help of problems. Okay, now let's write y1 is a digital function. Y1 is a digital function with SOP or summation or min terms. Okay, and we will write second set now onwards. That means DC set, which means don't care conditions. Okay, so what happens is 0 to 4. Let us take 0 to 4. Here I will take 3 and 5. So how to prepare truth table for this problem? Okay, first we will prepare truth table, then we will write the K-map and simplification. See now find out total number of variables given in the problem. 3, A, B, C, as I mentioned, starting from our right towards our left. So here it is C, then B, then A. So what is power, magnitude of C? 2 raised to 0, 2 raised to 1, 2 raised to 2. The values are 1, 2 and 4. Okay, now hope you all know the distribution 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, so these are the notations. These are the symbols we are using to write in terms of representing the variable. So how to write 0? 0 for A, 0 for B and 0 for C. You know this already, so let us write little fast. 2, then comes 3, then 4, 5, 6 and 7. Okay, now this column is y1. So why I am writing y1 is that I have to write name of the function. So see here, I will write one note point, fill high, that means 1 for elements in the summation set. Fill X for elements in the don't care set. Fill 0 for remaining. So on this day we have filled with either 0 or 1. Now we are going to fill with 1 for summation, then don't care for DC set, then 0 for all remaining. See here, what are the elements given in the summation set? 0. So summation set first 0. What is the symbol we should write? Okay. Now, what is this next symbol? We finished 0. Then let's take 2. So here is a 2. So write that as 1. So next symbol 4. So here we will get it as 1. So elements given in the summation set will be filled with I. So now next. Elements given in the DC set. DC means don't care. What are those? 3. That should be filled with X. Then 5. That should be filled with X. Okay, elements inside don't care condition set should be filled with 0. Sorry, X. So now, what do you mean by remaining? Not given in summation, not given in DC. So what is not given in summation and DC? Is 1 present? No. Hence, that will be given with 0. So next, how about 6? 6 is not present, so that will be filled with 0. Next, 7. 7 is not present in both the sets, hence that will be filled with 0. Okay. One important point in the notes what I have shared, this part is little blurred, so please refer this concept. Okay, fine. Let's take now the problem for K-map. Okay. I have considered same problem. Okay, now you see. See, there are 3 variables. Okay, so that means there will be 8 number of small cells. What is the numbering for the cells? 0 to 7. Okay. For that reason, I will take 3 variable K-map. 3 variables K-map. Okay, how many columns we have? 4. To represent 4 columns, we need 2 variables. I will select from rightmost C with B. C with B. So we left with 1 variable, 2 rows, 1 variable is sufficient to represent 2 rows. Okay. So next, here it is 0 0 0 1 1 1 1 0, row wise 0 and 1. So cell numbers 0 1 3 2, then 4 5 7 6. These are the cell numbers. Now, the definition. Summation set, DC set. Third one is remaining set. Okay. There will be 3 sets, but 2 will be defined. Summation set and DC set. They will give in the problem. So of course, not given in summation as well as not given in DC belongs to remaining. Okay. What are the summation? Summation terms 0 to 4. Okay. Next, what is DC? 3, 5. Okay. What are not given in both? 1, 6, then 7. So these should be filled with 0, this should be filled with X, these should be filled with 1. Okay. Cell numbers 0, 2, then 4. Okay. Then comes where we should write x for third and fifth. Third and fifth. 6, 7. Okay, I forgot. Okay, and 1. 1, 6, 7 not given in any set. I have wrote 6 and 7 0. Don't forget to write 0 in the cell number 1 also. Okay, now let's write simplified terms. Okay, let's write simplified terms. You know the terms or the cover. How to write this cover? See now, it is a vertical cover. 0 for A, what it means? A complement. A1 means A. Okay, let's write terms here. B complement, C complement. B complement, C. B, C. B with C complement. Okay, these are the terms. Variable formats. Now, see this cover. Vertical, A bar and A cancel the effect, so we left with single column. Single column means B complement, C complement. One term done. Okay. What is one more term? One more cover. See, by fold method, horizontal fold, we will get 2 adjacent with 0. 2 adjacent with 0. So now, how many rows? Only one row, because it is present in one row. What is a row? A row. Row name is A. Where the cover is, cover is horizontal, so that means multiple columns. What are the columns? B complement, C complement, B complement, C complement. One more, B with C complement. So which variable has changed? B complement and B has changed, hence cancel out the effect. We left with common variable called as C complement. So A with C complement. Okay, now this will be correct if we consider don't care as 0. That means assume x as 0 both sides, so problem will be solved. But for this betterment or for little more type of functions, assumption x is don't care. The definition of don't care is it can be 0 or it can be 1. If you consider both as 0, problem complete. But there is one more definition for x. The definition of x is it is not conformly 0 always. It can be 1. So that means what? Assume 1 here, but don't replace x with 1. Keep x as it is, but in that place assume 1. If I assume 1, what happens? This one and this one will become adjacent. So how to show that? See now. This is x with 1 assumption. So what is the solution that time? This one. So it is a horizontal cover, A bar. Okay. I think this is mistake I did. It was a horizontal cover, so I would have taken A complement. Earlier I am discussing A complement into C complement. Now, new term for this new cover. In this cover, listen carefully, this cover, there is one number of 1 number of x. So together there are 2 entries. Okay, 2 entries which is equal to 2 raised to 1. That means size of cover should be 2 raised to some standard number. And one more condition I will write here. In a cover, okay, in a cover, there must be a cover, there must be at least one. See here. Plus second condition. Okay, there are two conditions. First condition, in a cover there must be at least one number of high. Plus second condition, the size of cover, which includes some number of ones, some number of x, must be 2 raised to m. 2 raised to m. See here, these two conditions should follow. Then only I will discover is valid or correct. See, let us check. How many number of entries in this? There are 2 entries. Okay, how the 2 entries are? One number of 1 number of x. Okay, together it is equal to 2 raised to m. M means 1. This condition is correct. Second, previous condition is what? There must be at least one number of 1. See here, how many ones are there? 1. At least there can be 2 or no. When we go for higher size covers, I will solve problem, you will get to know. Okay, this is now one possibility. So now let us write the cover for this. See this one, horizontal cover, hence it is a A complement. Between two columns it is BC complement. Between them C and C complement cancels. We left with D. Okay. Now look at the graph. Look at this K-map. We have one more x. X with 0 not allowed. X with 0 not allowed. This x with 1, yes, possible. Hence, check for this. 1 with the x. Okay. So, what is total size of the cover? 2. It is present between 2 cells. 4th cell, 5th cell. So, hence, the size of cover is 2 raised to m. That is correct. So, in this cover, is there at least one number of high? That means 1? Yes. So, both conditions are correct for this. It is correct cover. So, what is the function for this? It is present in the second row, hence it is A. Okay. It is present in 2 columns. One is B complement, C complement. One is B complement, C. Hence, C complement and C neglected. We left with B complement. A with B complement. This is a solution. Okay, here 2 terms which I kept in the bracket we have derived when we assume x as 1. If you assume x as 0, you will get only first 2 terms. But whenever a problem is given like this BC, we have to assume the don't care elements also as high. Means don't write them as 1, write as x. When we are solving, assume it as 1 and solve. Is it clear? So let us take next problem. See, the problem is y2 is a digital function for 3 variables a, b, c. Summation only one element, that is 0. Don't give 3 elements, 1, 4, 5. Okay, let's solve this. Put a K-map of 3 variables. Here it is BC, here it is A bar and A because 0, 1, 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 1, 1, 0. Hence it is B bar, B bar, C, B, C, B with C complement. Write the cell numbers 0, 1, 3, 2, 4, 5, 7 and 6. Okay. So what are the 3 locations we have? summation set, BC set, and remaining set. What is the symbol to be written in summation set? Pi. That means numerical value 1. Symbol to be written in BC set is don't care, means X. Remaining should be filled with 0. Remaining should be filled with 0. Let's write. What is summation element? 0. So only one number of cell. That is what? 0. So now what is don't care? 1. That will get X. Then 2, 3 not given. 4, 5. 4 and 5. So totally not given what? Remaining 2, 3. That means 2, 3, 6, 7. Okay. So problem is. Now listen carefully. Try to subject this rule. Okay, or this rule. But finally both rules should pass. Now some of you can approach this method. Think about this. This is correct. This cover is correct. Okay. So we will get this. What with 1 here, X here, size of 2. Okay, but what is one more condition? The size of cover which consists of at least one number of 1 and many number of X can be 2 raised to 4. I mean 2 raised to m. Here, if I assume 0 here, 0 here, 0 here, only one number of 1 I will get. What is the function of that time? A bar, B bar, C bar. So that problem is done. But what is general tendency of BC? We can consider it as 1 for our expansion of the function. So here if I assume 1, 1, 1, because it is a don't care, I can assume either 0 or 1. Here I will assume 1 so that what will be your observation? This one is fixed. We cannot assume own meaning. X here can be 1, this X can be 1, this X can be 1. That time what happens? 1, 1, 1, 1. So consider like this. The cover will be like this. Okay. This will be the cover. Now 2 rows A bar and A, 2 columns B bar, C bar and B bar, C. Between them C bar and C cancel. We left with one term, that is okay. Fine.